All right, y'all, here's the spot. We got the key to it. Boom. So there's a sign, Bliss Auto Sales. So we can start putting cars in here, start lining them up. One of the cars are gonna be taken. Another car is this one right here. Also this Q50. Also this Q50. I'm now moving my cars from this dealership to my personal dealership that just opened up. This should lead to my office. YouTube. What's good, y'all? We at the spot. We got the key to the spot, y'all. All right, y'all, here's the spot. We got the key to it, so we're about to go inside and check it out, y'all. Here we go. Bismillah. Here we go. There we go. So as soon as you walk in, you got this right here, as you can see. Little nice counter, some chairs here and whatnot. Probably some chairs here as well. We got a room right here. We got the window, some, I guess, shelves. And this is one room. I might make this like the prayer room, maybe. I might be praying in here. I'm not exactly sure yet what I'm gonna do with this room, but this is one of the rooms. And we come this way. So we got a room to the left, but then to the right, we have a bathroom. So boom, turn these on. Yo, what's good, what's good? So boom, regular bathroom, nothing crazy. And then if we come to this room right here, boom, this is another room. Paint's so messed up, I don't know, it came like that, so it is what it is. We got a nice window. See outside, see the cars and everything, hopefully. Close this up, and then we got this, I guess it's like key lockbox. Oh, this is nice, so you can put like keys in here. This is to the garage, so if we open this, turn the light on, boom. We got a little tiny garage, a garage door, random desk, random things. This just leads outside. And this is where we're gonna be holding the cars. I get the grass as well, and this. So it's fenced in already, which is great. You know, that's extra protection. There's my car up there. So we can start putting cars in here. So like, start lining them up, hopefully. Inshallah, this lot fills up, and inshallah, the cars, you know, sell. Unfortunately, these trailers are here and they're kind of stuck here. It's the landlord's trailers. I don't need the space. That's why I wasn't too pressed on it. I don't need all this space, but you know, eventually I probably will want to get these moved. You know, I will start wanting to get these out the way. And like I said, we have this spot as well. Back here, we can, I guess, put some more cars. You know, we can do like minor like cleaning or detailing the cars back here. Come over here. This is my spot as well. I don't know if it's the same key for this. Hold on, let me try. Okay, it's not the same key. So not the same key, but like I said, this is, I can use all this spot as well. Maybe back here we can do some things. This should lead to my office. Boom, right over here. So boom, I'll be sitting here, I guess. This is where we're gonna sell the cars to, where I'll probably put like 2 or 3 chairs right here so customers can sit. Yeah, we'll have everything here, my computer, printer, everything we need to, you know, do the paperwork to sell the cars. That's the whole place basically. It's the main office. Oh, the kitchen. I didn't show you guys the kitchen. Boom, we have the kitchen. So you catch me shuffling it up in here, y'all. I might buy like a mini stove. You know, it's like one of those portable stoves. Plug it in here. Boom. I can whip something up. You know, some eggs, some protein, you know, something slight. And yeah, we got a freezer, fridge, microwave, you know, regular stuff. And yeah, that's the whole spot basically. I showed you guys the entrance, first room, second room, which leads out to the garage, and bathroom, kitchen, and office. So that's really the whole spot. Come back this way. I do have the Spectrum coming at 10 a.m. So I'm about 30 minutes early. I'm gonna start bringing some stuff inside. I'll show you guys what I brought to the spot. Because, you know, there are things that I need as a car dealer. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got right now. But before I do that, I just wanna thank you guys so much for, you know, watching the videos, supporting, liking, commenting, letting me know what you guys think. I appreciate all that. I really do love you guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. It does mean a lot because I make these videos for y'all. And I see a lot of YouTubers say, you know, I don't make these videos for you guys. I make what I like. I make videos for y'all, okay? So if y'all enjoy something, I'll make more of it. If you don't enjoy something, then I won't make that video. Because what's the point? I'm making the videos for you guys. For your benefit, for your entertainment, for your enjoyment. So appreciate y'all for watching, for real. But here's the front. Let me show you guys the front real quick. That gravel right here to all this, basically, I can use to put cars. Here's the building. I am getting a sign that's coming in next week. This Labor Day weekend ruined it, so I gotta get the sign and get the letters for that. This is a lot of space, guys. A lot more than I remember seeing, but yeah. In my county, I think it's like you can't park cars on grass. So I don't think I can be using any of this unless I, you know, make it into asphalt or gravel. So yeah, this is the beginning, guys. If you guys are watching now, like you're gonna see, you know, what ends up happening to this. You know, hopefully, inshallah, it's a blessing for me. Inshallah, you know, it works out. May Allah put his blessings into this business. May Allah, you know, guide all of us. I'm gonna start bringing some stuff inside from my car into the office. Just some things that you need as a dealer, I would say. So let me show you guys that real quick. We got air compressor, a vacuum. This is like to roll the cars around just in case like it's dead or anything like that. I have a jump box right here. I have some spare parts, headlights and all that. We got a key programmer. Got to program the keys because, you know, you can't keep paying the key guy. That stuff adds up. I got products here. This is like the jackets, you know, just to keep everything organized. And stickers for the windows, air fresheners. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all these inside. All right, y'all, that's it, really. I got everything out from my car. Just a quick rundown what we got. It's like dealer paperwork stuff. In here, I have a cash counter, a couple parts for a couple infinities. I think this is just trash. Key programmer, cleaning products. This is a wrench set, dealer tags to hold the tags, a couple more spare parts. This is all cleaning stuff. I got a tool in here. Paperwork, donkey products. This is like the jackets, air fresheners, stickers, you know, basic stuff. Here, these are floor mats. Floor mats, pretty basic. Like there's not much to it. I put some stuff over here as well. So I think this is gonna be the storage room basically. This is where I'm gonna keep all my spare parts. You know, the cars, you know, waiting for parts. Like for example, it's a charger headlight that I had. It's another charger headlight I have. Battery, that's for a Tesla. Vacuum, you know, just regular stuff. Right now, I guess later, I'm gonna go to Walmart and get a bunch of things for this place, like all the things it needs. That's gonna be a tax write-up for sure. Writing that off as a tax expense, as a business expense. In about a couple minutes, it's 9:59. So the Spectrum guy should be here within a minute or so to set up the Wi-Fi. All right, Spectrum guy is here. Boom, setting up the internet. Might open up the gate for him. I'm gonna try at least, and we'll see. All right, y'all, we got the Wi-Fi set up. There's the connecting thing. And there's the modem and all that right there. Now what I gotta do is find a software to use to sell these cars. So I'm watching some videos right now, trying to find a good one. I'll probably later go to Walmart, buy all those things I said earlier, and hopefully we can start selling cars. Today's the 31st, tomorrow's the 1st. It's like a grand opening basically. All right, y'all, we are on the way right now to Walmart. I'm gonna buy a bunch of things that the place needs. Printer, bathroom stuff, cleaning stuff, you know, everything we need to get set up over there. So going there right now, catch you guys when we pull up. Also, I'm gonna buy snacks for the customers and drinks for the customers. Catch you guys in Walmart. All right, y'all, we got the things, trash bags, paper towels, you know, regular stuff, water for the customers. So we got all that. Go ahead, take it inside real quick. Yeah, it's another day and I'm still, you know, setting things up. As you can see, I got some stuff going. I got paper towels, I got some water for the customers. I got the bathrooms set up a little bit. Soap, paper towels, toilet paper for the customers. We got a broom so we can, you know, clean. I did a little bit of sweeping yesterday. And we just got a package. It just came in. It is a file cabinet. So you need a file cabinet as a dealer. So this just came in. I'm gonna unbox it real quick and I'll show you guys the file cabinet. All right, we got the file cabinet. There we go. So it has a key with it. These are the handles. So we're gonna have to install the handles. Look at them eating. Dang! Is it good? You're funny. All right, yeah, we got the file cabinet set up. Printer just came in, so we'll set this up. And the shop phone came in, so we'll set that up as well. And yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. It's right there. Decent fit. So I might set this up. The phone is right here. Go ahead and get this open as well. All right, we got Jason trying to figure out the camera work. We got the printer set up. Printer is good. I'm about to unbox the iPhone. Yeah, here's the iPhone. Gotta unbox it. Boom. This is gonna be the shop phone. Ooh, fresh phone. This will be the number to the shop basically. All right, y'all, we are on the way to the sign store right now. I'm going there right now to pick up the sign I'm gonna put on the building. It's gonna say the name of the dealership, Bliss Auto Sales. So go in there right now, get the sign, and we'll take it back to the shop to put it on. So I'll see you guys when I get to the store. All right, yeah, we got the sign, a little sneak peek. Now I'm gonna go to the shop and put it on. So let's go. Pull up to the shop. And now it's time to change this out. Boom, so there's a sign, Bliss Auto Sales. We gotta put that up there somehow. I don't even know. I didn't think this far. All right, so boom. Got my drill, I got my screws, got my sign. I would try to do this. All right, y'all, it's coming along. As you can see, got the boy Yerson helping me out. All right, y'all, good morning. It's a new day. I'm now moving my cars from this dealership to my personal dealership that just opened up. So this is the first car we're moving. It's this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So this is one of the cars we're gonna be taking. Another car is this one right here, 2020 Infiniti Q50 Sport 30th Anniversary Edition. Also this Q50 3.0 liter twin turbo. We'll be taking that one as well. Also this Q50 2020, we'll be taking this one as well. And the Ford over here, we'll be taking that. And there's a couple more cars on the other side. So I got my boy Mutman coming. He's gonna help me move all these cars over there, and I'll record that for you guys. All right, I'm in the Jeep, taking it to my shop now, and we're gonna park it and just keep moving cars back and forth. All right, just pulled in. Park. Let's go ahead and open up the fence and go inside. All right, so we just moved a bunch of cars over here. As you can see, you got Infiniti, Jeep, Q70, and a Q50 down there. So there's a boy Mutman has been helping me out, moving back and forth. So shout out to Mutman. But yeah, we're gonna keep going until we get the cars all here. All right, boom. That's it. That's a wrap for the day, and that's a wrap for the video. As you can see, Bliss Auto Sales. We are now official. Thank y'all for watching. Boom, Bliss Auto Sales. If you guys want to stop by anytime, stop by. I don't mind at all. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.